The big man. Hi, buddy. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Grandma. Say, Grandma, look how good I'm sitting up. I can sit up on my own almost. Look at me. Look at me. I'm sitting up on my own. Check me out. He's getting big. You going to smile for Grandma? You going to smile for Grandma? Good boy. Good boy. Says, I miss you, Grandma Snedeker. We'll see you soon. Oh, I'm going to just jump right up. Oh, you're going to tell stories? Say, hello. Oh, fingers in mouth. Doesn't quite master the thumb sucking, and the whole hand kind of goes in. What are you doing, Goof?